picked up a couple Magic the Gathering card packs. They are Innistrad Crimson Vow. I've never opened this set before. But me and Evan are opening them up. I'll probably go first, then I'll let her open her pack in like a part 2. So, we'll open up and see kind of what we get. Estwald Shieldmaster. I think that's what it's pronounced. Lightning Wolf. Stitched Assistant. Supernatural Rescue. Courier Bat. Sporeback Wolf. Oh, he's kind of cool. Unhallowed Phalanx. Ceremonial Knife. End of the Festivities. A lot of wolves in this so far, it looks like. Lantern Bearer. Bloodline Harvester. Oh no, Blood Tithe Harvester. Sigardian Paladin. Radiant Grace. Kessig Wolf Rider. That's our first rare. Oh, that's cool. They have kind of like a cool black and white 4-art force card. Like a token card, human. Oh. I don't know. It's a secret there on the back. I'm not sure what it says. And a blank card. Not sure what that does, but a blank card. I think some of these are supposed to be double-sided. Or maybe not. Okay, so yeah, that was the first pack. So no hollows or no big hits. Just the rare was the Kessig Wolf Rider. So that's the first pack. Then we'll go to a part 2 and let Evelyn open her pack.